Hi, my name is Renu, and currently I'm working on Indian coal mine dataset. And in continuation to the previous video, so I'm going to create few more charts, or the couple of charts, and then I'm going to start my analysis, taking the some points, the main points from my data. So I'm going to create one more, again, the bar chart, kind of a bar chart. So I'll take the type of mine in columns, and I'm going to take the mine name to the rows. I'm going to change the measure of the mine name to the count. And I'm going to interchange it. So this is how it looks like. We can make it in the decreasing order. So our data has the open cut mines. There are like huge number of open cut mines we have in our data, um, which is 256, and then the underground mines, which is 183. And again, I'm going to create one more chart. This is also going to be a bar chart. I'm going to rename this bar chart 7. And next, I'll create one geomap first, and then I'm going to go for the next bar chart. So let's take latitude to the rows and longitude to the columns. And I'm going to check it here for like, I'm going to put this coal and lignite production and drag it to the size. And also the mine names to the color. So, not the mine name, sorry. The district name I'm going to take in a detail. And then the type of mine I'm going to put in the color. So this shows me that majorly as we can see that we have like the open cut mines, but there are few places that we have the underground mines. It's here. It's in Paschim Bardhaman. It's underground mine, and in my first video, I shared that underground mines are more dangerous as compared to the open pit. And I'm going to put this the type of mine in size as well, so you can easily see the color here. There's underground mines here, these red spots, and we have like at multiple places here. Also, there's one underground mine in Telangana. So this is how we can visualize it, and we can take the state and UT name to details, so that if I click on this, it will give me the district name Betul, the name it is in Madhya Pradesh, the type of mine is underground. And if I want to take the coal and lignite production, I can give it to the detail too, and I can check that it is producing 1.5 metric ton coal and lignite. So this is also one way to use the geo map, and we can use different like for my analysis, what I want to see, what I want to check. So I can put according to that. I can use those variables and to just drag with the colors, with the size and details and labels and all. And I'm going to name it as a geomap 3. And now what I'm going to do is, as you can see, and even in this geomap, I'll show you one thing that can share the mine. We can take the mine name to the size. If I put the mine name to the size and click on it and choose it as a count, and I'm going to take a district. District, I already have it here. So I'm going to click on label. And yeah, so I'm going to put this district name in label. And then Chhattisgarh, I want to show you here this one thing. That's the Korba. We have underground mine, count of mine name, that is 9 actually. And this is 6. So I'm going to take this particular, I'm going to go forward with the Korba as my particular case scenario in this analysis because it has a lesser number of mines, but it's still the highest coal and lignite production as compared to other states and other districts as well. So there's something might be going wrong in here, and also it has the large number of underground mines, which is more dangerous for the people who work in those mines. So I'm going to create one more sheet, and I just wanted to check like with the like in particular district that Korba. So I'm going to take this district name and put that in filter first. And now I'm going to check. Uh, First, I'm going to check that my name. I'm going to put it in the take this call and like information to the columns. I'm gonna click on the show me, and I want to use this the highlight tables, and according to that, I'm going to change. So I'm using this highlight tables, and as we can see, this the particular mine name Trevor OC. This is producing there's a high production from this mine, and also I wanted to check like whether it's government, how many government owned and the private owned. So let's do it here. So you can see all these are the government owned. Let's say the coal and mine owned and two. So this is so there's two owners are there. One is Belco Vedanta and another is SECL. So the SECL is the government and Belco Vedanta is a private mine actually. So next time what I'm going to do is to check whether how many are there underground and how many of them are the open pit. So I'm going to take the type of mine here and again going to put in rows because I need it as a table. So as you can see, I can put here 5, 6. So 6 of them are open cut, and the rest of these are the underground. And the highest production of coal and lignite is from the open cut mine, which is 45, which is way too high in this data set. And also following by the Kusumunda, it's also 42.33, again the highest coal and lignite production. So why this district is particularly producing that much coal and lignite and how it affects the uh, life of people who live there, and also what as it has a more underground mine, so what are the incidents happen in that particular area, the mine workers, the policy for the mine, health policy for the mine workers over there. So I'm going to do my analysis on that district as well here. So this is the way we can use the visualization for our analysis, that we can see that making so many visualization, we can see that particular district has the highest the coal and lignite production. So what makes that district different from the other, and like why it has like so many underground mines, as because historically it has been said that it is more dangerous than the open cut mine. So what are the health um, the the rules and regulations for those mine workers? What are the government doing for them and everything? So that is these all are the visualizations, and in next video, I'm going to share my final analysis, with the integration of the others and external resources as well, which support my analysis. And thank you for listening. And I hope this helps to understand how we make different, or how we create different visuals, and also how we create different type of a chart, with also taking the different variables and making the same charts, like the bar charts I've created more. And thank you for listening.